Today we're gonna bring a head torch. They're LED lights for night or any kind of scenario that you're gonna have. You're gonna work at night or underground or any kind of tunnels or you're gonna go camping. You can pretty much take this anywhere. So these LED lights are very light, lightweight that you can put them over your head. If you are in construction, you can put them on your helmet. You could use them anywhere. We're gonna actually open it up and see what you get when you get something like this. So first, to let you know, just to let you guys know, you get 2 of them, and the vendor was kind enough to send this out for us to review. So let's take a look at it and see what we get. All right, so we just end up getting one of them. Very simple. If you guys notice, there's a button in here, and the button, I'm gonna turn it on so you guys can see it. That's one LED light. It goes brighter, and then it shows the red colors in here, and then it starts blinking as an emergency light, and then it turns off. Now, the great thing about it is like these are flexible. If you guys can see it, they're very flexible. That you can open up. So if you're walking and you want to see the ground instead of seeing forward, you can actually rotate these a little lower. These systems are very simple because they carry 3 batteries, and their batteries are included. The 3 AAA batteries are installed in here. Now these are, water resistance. They're not waterproof completely, but they're not submergible, but they're actually really good for if it rains, if you're in a moisture area environment, if you're a plumber. These are pretty good. I mean, easy. And these are flexible. The bungee is very flexible and easy to set up. And like I said, you could put this on any kind of construction helmet or anywhere you want to use. But, so far, I like these. This is one of the lightest ones I actually use. So let's go ahead and take a look at it and see what you can do with them. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.